Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video lesson, we are going to learn what is typecasting and how we can apply it to real life problems. Typecasting refers to changing a variable of one data type to another. Let's learn it practically. Double click on Turbo C icon on the desktop. To start Turbo C IDE, select New from the file menu to create new source file. Let's start coding. In this program, we are going to find area of triangle, and the formula for area of triangle is AOT equal to 1 by 2 into base into height. Okay. Hash include stdio.h hash include conio.h void main opening brace closing brace. For this program we need three variables, so float, base, height and area. Okay, clr printf \n enter base scanf %f comma ampersand base semicolon. I'm going to copy these two lines. Okay, so enter height. Okay, now formula area equal to 1 by 2 into base into height. Okay, printing the area, printf \n area of triangle equal to %f comma area get ch. Save the program as aot.c, pressing F2. aot area of triangle.c. Compile it to make sure that there are no syntax error in the program. So Alt F9. The program is absolutely fine. Let's run it to view the output. Control F9. I am entering 6 as a base and height 2. And the program is outputting area of triangle equal to 0.000000. Definitely we were not expecting this output. Then what's wrong with the above code? Let's have a look of this statement. Area equal to 1 by 2 into base into height. Here the value of 1 by 2 is 0. In C, integer and integer always give the integer result. So 1 by 2 equal to 0 and not 0.5. 5 by 2 equal to 2 and not 2.5. You can write 1 by 2.0 or 1.0 by 2 or 1.0 by 2.0 to get 0.5 or 5 by 2.0 or 5.0 by 2 or 5.0 by 2.0 to get 2.5. Then how we can resolve this problem? By using typecasting. Now add float before 1 here or before 2 here. This is known as typecasting. I am adding this here float. So this statement converts an integer 1 to float 1. And now save the program, run it, enter the same value again. So F2, Control F9, entering the same value 6 and 2, and you can see the expected output on the screen. So in this way we can change the data type of variable or constant using typecasting. So that's all for this video lesson. Don't forget to subscribe my channel to watch the upcoming interesting video lesson. If you have any queries regarding this video lesson, please let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.